to another video. This is part 2.
Emmett to home.
Emmett to home via the coast.
Traffic, Medevac Mercy 3, fire ramp lifting off, heading out to the southeast.
We had a great breakfast at Hangar 1 Cafe.
And I got one at the fuel pit there.
And I haven't been to Hemet since I was 17 years old. I took a student cross-country flight out here. Airport's in the exact same spot. They just got it. Seems like a nice newly paved runway.
I thought the I thought the cafe was called Bambi's.
Bambi's Hangar 1?
Ah.
Yeah, I think so.
Gotcha.
Anyway, we're going to pull up into the run-up area, do our run-up, and then we'll be off and running.
Oh, got this little thing. So cute.
Yeah, I think that's a paramotor. I don't know what the name of those are. All set?
Great. Do this.
Let's do this.
Juliet Mike, current approach 128.1.
2810 Juliet Mike, good day.
Okay.
SoCal Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, level 6.5.
Cherokee 130 Juliet Mike, SoCal approach, roger, resume navigation.
Zoom on nav, 0 Juliet Mike.
Like one puffy cloud down there. Just one.
Barely.
Wow, it really is beautiful today.
Yeah. This is gorgeous.
I will be back in a half hour.
November 215 Alpha Foxtrot, current approach 128.1.
That is beautiful.
0 Juliet Mike, VFR descent 4,500 approved.
Descending 4.5, 0 Juliet Mike.
This 908 Romeo, fighting 080, back to traffic.
080, 98 Romeo.
Flagship 530, contact approach 124.9.
Approach 124.9, Flagship 530, great day, sir.
For 0 Juliet Mike, fly heading of 260, back to traffic.
Turning 260 for traffic, 0 Juliet Mike.
Traffic, 1 o'clock, 2 miles, 100 feet below.
Should be a plane crossing right at the same altitude, like buzzing right by us.
Oh, wow.
On the right side.
Okay.
For 0 Juliet Mike, traffic's at your 3 o'clock, half a mile, opposite direction of Skyhawk, 5,600.
All right, looking for traffic, 0 Juliet Mike.
Yep. I see him.
You got him.
Traffic in sight, 0 Juliet Mike.
No factor, resume navigation, contact approach 127.2.
127.2 for 0 Juliet Mike.